After you've signed up for Office 365, you and your employees can install your Office apps. From the Admin Center, select Office Software. Choose a language, and then select Install. When prompted, select Run. Select Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. The installation may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installation is complete, you'll see a quick tour of how to open your apps. Close the tour as well as the installation dialog. You're now ready to start using Office on your computer. To open an app, select the Start menu, type the app name, and then select the app. Your employees can install Office by opening the email that was sent to them when you signed up for Office 365. Once they sign in with their Office 365 credentials, they can install Office on their device and start using Office 365.